Hey YouTube, good morning. Happy Thursday. So I want to show you something real quick. I want to share this with you. So we got a kitty cat and I'm tired of cleaning. The girls is like, Mom, get the cat. I will go ahead and I'll do the litter. Who gets stuck with the litter? Me, mommy. So I purchased this. The Johnny Cat Heavy Duty Litter Bag Liners. Okay. It comes with what? 5 jumbo liners. So I bought 2 boxes. Got it on Amazon. I think it was Amazon. I don't know. Amazon or Walmart. But I will link the information. I also put in the bottom, just in case, to be on the safe side, if it ripped, I didn't want all that PP and all that stuff. So I put one of them PP pads, whatever, in it. Took out the bag. Here is the bag full of the cat litter, shit cat litter, piss cat litter, whatever you want to call it. Oh my God. You see little pokey holes there? But that's nothing. This stuff works and it made it easier for me. Now I'm just going to pick it up and throw it in the trash. And I take another liner and put it in the litter. It works wonders, y'all. You don't have to be bending down, scooping shit out the litter, or using one of them roller freaking cat litter box, whatever. This is so easy. Easy, easy, easy. I just wanted to share that with you. And then what I do is I'll go ahead and throw some of this odor stuff there. And then I put another bag in it. Well, anyway, y'all, thank you for watching. I recommend this stuff to anybody who has kittens, cats, whatever, and you're just tired of cleaning that damn cat litter. The best invention. It works. Thank you, y'all. Have a blessed day.